Hello guys, welcome back. Our today's topic is cloud forensics from the module mobile forensics. So today we will see the basics of cloud computing, then what is cloud computing, its definition, what is cloud forensics, the process of cloud forensics, and some challenges faced in cloud forensics. So let's start with basics. So cloud services are classified into three categories. Means there are three service models, that is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So the first one, that is software as a service, this model delivers the software applications over the internet, which are basically called as web services. Second is platform as a service. In this model, the cloud providers host development tools and users access these tools over the internet to develop different applications. And the last one is infrastructure as a service. So these providers supply the servers, storage over virtual interface. So these are three service models of cloud. Next we'll see four deployment models of cloud computing. Those are public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. So the first one, public cloud. Here the services are offered over the internet and available to anyone. Second is private cloud. So the cloud services are offered to only some private IT networks. Next is community cloud, which is managed by the several organizations that shares a particular community. And the last one is hybrid cloud. So this uses combination of public and private cloud features. And at last we'll see five essential services or main characteristics of cloud computing. So the first one is on-demand self-service. So users can use resources for any kind of workload on demand. Second one is broad network access. Users can access or upload data to cloud from anywhere with the help of internet. Third one is resource pooling. So it provides services to numerous customers from same physical resource. Fourth one is rapid elasticity. So the companies can freely increase the resources as per their needs. And the last one is measured service, means pay per use. Here the services are measured and they let users pay for the resources. So the next point is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the use of hosted services such as data storage, servers, database, networking, and software over the internet. The data is stored on physical servers which are maintained by a cloud service provider. So simply, cloud computing means to deliver the hosted services and resources over the internet. So next we'll see what is cloud forensics. Cloud forensics refers to the application of digital forensics and crime investigation techniques to cloud computing environments. It involves investigating cloud environments using forensic techniques to detect individuals or the groups which are responsible for unlawful or criminal behavior that has occurred using cloud as a medium. So it simply means applying the digital forensic techniques to solve crimes in cloud computing environment. And here different forensic techniques are used to investigate the cloud environment, to detect who is responsible for the criminal activity which has occurred over the cloud. So next we'll see the process flow of cloud forensics. So the process of cloud forensics is similar to digital forensics, which we have seen before. So the first step is identification, means to identify the incident or the evidence and the source of evidence. The second step is collection. In this step, the evidence is collected according or depending on its type. Third step is examination and analysis. So here, perform examination and analysis using different tools and techniques based on the specific case or relevant to the particular case. And the last step is presentation. So in this, the examiners document a report based on their analysis, that is findings. So next we'll see some challenges which are faced by the examiners in terms of cloud forensics. So the first one is multiple venues and geolocations. So this can impact in finding the evidence and identifying resources at different venues. Next is deletion in cloud. Whether the information is fully deleted needs to be assessed in this case. Retrieving deleted data. So recovering the data is a challenge in terms of cloud because the data needs to be recovered before it is overwritten. Next is evidence correlation. So correlation of activity across the cloud providers is a challenge. Unification of log formats. So it is difficult to unify the log formats and make them convertible or to convert them into a readable format. Use of metadata. It's challenging as the metadata, that is the file creation date, modification date, might be changed when the data is migrated in cloud. Single point of failure. Criminals are not caught in a straight manner because they can choose one cloud provider for storage, either to access the services and then transfer all their communication to the third cloud provider. So it is a bit challenging to find the criminal in terms of cloud computing. Chain of custody. So it's impossible to verify the chain of custody, means to determine where the data was actually stored, who had accessed that data, and whether any contamination was possible or not. Next is imaging the cloud. So for forensic examiners, imaging evidence in cloud is a bit challenging because imaging all the evidence in cloud is not feasible due to the size. Multi-tenancy. So some issues arise like how to prove the data was not mixed with other users' data in the cloud and how to preserve privacy of other users while investigating the case. And the last one is volatile data. So when any virtual machine is turned off, all data is lost as it's volatile. So this is also challenging in terms of cloud forensics. So far we have seen what is cloud computing, the basics of cloud, then cloud forensics, its process, and some challenges faced during the investigation in terms of cloud. So thank you for watching.